Hello friends, today we are going to do some questions on series and progressions which are basically focused on the JEE mains. Okay, so S is equals to, first question is S is equals to 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial and so on. We have to find the sum of this series. So we can see clearly that we are having 2 factorial, 4 factorial and 6 factorial. So we are going to use the series of e to the power x, because e to the power x has some contains like this in the denominator, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So we just used it, and now we can see that we don't have any coefficients, coefficients in the numerator. We have nothing in the numerator, so we will use x as 1. So e to the power 1 will be 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial and so on, and e to the power minus 1 will be 1 minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 3 1 by 3 factorial and so on. Now why we used e to the power minus 1 is we don't want odd terms to be a pair. We just don't want x cube x to the power 5. We put x minus 1 so that these terms can be negative and they get cancelled after adding. So what we are going to do is we are going to add them. After adding we'll get this 2 by 2 factorial, 3 by 4 by 2 by 4 factorial and so on. By simple mathematics, using simple mathematics, you can clearly see S is e minus 1 whole square by 2. Now next question is 1 plus 1 by 4.2 factorial plus 16.4 factorial plus 64.4 factorial 6 factorial. Now this question is very similar to the above question, but there's one difference that we are having coefficients. We are now having coefficients but in the new denominator. So we can instead of writing it like this, you can write it like this, 1 by 4 by 2 factorial. So we are seeing that x square is 1 by 4. So what we are going to use is x to be 1 by 2. So we will get 1 plus 1 by 2 dot 1 factorial and so on, and e to the power minus 1 as this, because we don't want in this case also we don't want odd terms to get, we don't want odd terms, so we also put here minus half. So these terms will get cancelled, which are not necessary, not required to us. So adding 1 and 2, we will get e to the power half plus e to the power minus half is equals to 2 plus these terms are repeating 2 times as we are adding them. So we will get e plus 1 by 2 root e is equals to s. Okay, so next question, moving toward the next.